In this video, we're going to have a look at creating your Facebook metapixel, or as it's now called, your data set. So we're over in our business settings. So we're in business settings, so business.facebook.com/settings. And then you're going to come over to data sets. Now, I already have one here, so you're going to get prompted with a button here in the middle to create. So I'm going to just do testing, pixel. I'm going to click create, pixel only. Next, going to install code manually. You're going to copy the code. Now let's hop over to our website. All right, we're in the back end of our site here. You could be using ClickFunnels or any of those pages. And you just need to navigate to where it says Facebook, Metacode, anything like that. This is going to be the same process. I'm just using this as an example. Every single website offering any kind of funnel offering is going to have the piece for tracking your pixel. And I will show you a second way as a backup plan, just in case. All right, so we're in the back end here. I am going to install a plugin. So plugins, I'm going to add new plugin. All right, header, footer, code manager is what we're going to look for here. Header, footer, code manager, going to install now. Going to activate it. Okay, come over to the left-hand side. Then it's called HFCM. We're going to click add new. Snippet name, Facebook, pixel, metapixel, whatever you want to call it. You're going to do it site-wide. Snippet type is HTML. If you want to exclude pages, you can find it there. If we're going to just leave it in the header and simply paste it in, and we're going to click save. Now that's after putting that piece of code, which is your Facebook pixel, on all of your pages. Now let's have a look at just taking the actual Facebook pixel ID, because a lot of the new systems will just ask for the pixel ID. You will not need to copy and paste everything. So if we come back over here, I'm just going to press continue here. Turn on the automatic matching. So let's just follow this. We don't need to do that for now. I'm going to cover the event setup to another video. We're going to click done. So here is our testing pixel. So we could see here it's looking for us to set up the pixel because it's not recognizing any activity. So we're going to click settings. Here's our data set ID. So it's automatically, you just click on it. You don't even need to right click to copy. And then any of your tools might just ask you for your pixel ID, your metapixel ID, your dataset ID. Remember, dataset ID is brand new. This is August 2020. Dataset ID is probably going to start rolling out, but more than likely the back end of systems, I haven't seen it anyway, is going to use the word dataset. So anywhere you see pixel ID, that's what you want to be using. So we're going to come over to our system here. So I'm going to go to pixel your site. You will see in the other example in here when you're using the advanced pixel, you will see that we use pixel your site, but I just want to show you how you grab your code, because a lot of the systems, especially if you're not using this, will look for this. And here it is here, the metapixel ID, formerly the Facebook pixel, and the dataset ID. And all you need to do is paste it in there. Now, I'm not going to overwrite my current pixel. And then all you're going to just do is come down and click save settings. And then check out the other videos where it shows you how to verify your pixel is actually firing on your site, because there's nothing worse than setting up your pixel and then it's not actually working. So in the other video where you see verify that your pixel is working, go check that video out now to make sure what you have done is actually working.